In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign documents on a computer with DocuSign. Whether you're working from home or simply want to handle documents more efficiently, learning to use DocuSign for electronic signatures can save you a lot of time and help you manage your important agreements with ease. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and go to the DocuSign website. You can simply type DocuSign into your search bar, or if you prefer, use their URL directly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice that DocuSign is well recognized for being #1 in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for our needs today. Next, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. To do this, locate the login button on the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page. If you don't already have an account, you may want to sign up for one, which you can do by following the on-screen prompts. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button. This will bring you to your DocuSign dashboard, often referred to as the DocuSign home. From the DocuSign home, you are going to look for a tab or section labeled Agreements. Clicking here will direct you to where all your agreements and documents are stored or managed. It's basically the hub for your document signing, sending and receiving. Once you're in the agreements section, you'll want to locate the Sign option. This is your gateway to signing documents electronically. Click on Sign to start the process. When you click this, you'll typically be prompted to upload the document you wish to sign. Make sure your document is ready and accessible on your computer, and follow the steps to upload it. You'll see options to drag and drop your signature, and even add initials, dates, or any other annotations you need to make the document complete. Keep in mind, DocuSign is intuitive in that it guides you step by step through placing your electronic signature in the correct places on your document, ensuring you don't miss a signature field. Once your signature is in place, you can review the document to ensure everything is just right before finalizing. After you're satisfied with your document, simply finalize it on the platform. You'll see an option to either save the document or send it directly to the relevant parties. And just like that, you've electronically signed your document on DocuSign. By using DocuSign, not only do you save time and paper, but you also streamline the entire agreement process, making it both efficient and secure. Thanks for joining me today, and happy signing.